Hey y'all, we are on the back dock of the Waldron District Office with Clay Crowley, the District Manager of the Waldron District, and we are Cajun cooking with Clay today.
Clay's gonna go ahead and prepare the kettle.
Yes.
Yep. And we are gonna go chop all of the veggies and the meat.
In the air-conditioned kitchen.
Yes. So we are back in the kitchen and we are going to cut up the celery and the bell peppers.
Let's get started.
Perfect. A little backstory. Clay has been pumping up this jambalaya recipe for quite a while.
For months.
Yes. So this cooking show episode is overdue and we are super excited. Okay, so now I'm going to cut out this onion.
It's about to go all in the same pot, so might as well go in the same bowl.
Right.
Alright, so we've got all of our veggies chopped up and all of the meat chopped up. So we're gonna head outside to the back dock and meet up with Clay to put it all in the pot.
So the first thing we're gonna do, we have 3 pounds of sausage and about 1/3 pound of bacon. And we're gonna throw that in there and let that brown. You wanna turn the fan back on? Well, you gotta put it in.
Go see.
Oh yeah.
How's it going?
How are y'all? Alright. Now we're going to add 3 pounds of pork. After we took the sausage out, we're going to brown 3 pounds of pork and season it. No exact measurements needed. We're just going to... Now we add the, we have a mixture of bell peppers, onions, and celery. It's light on the celery though, so here we go. Now that we put the vegetables in there for about 3 minutes, we're going to add 3 pounds of chicken and let that cook until it's brown. Now that the vegetables and chicken have browned and softened, we're going to add the pork and sausage back in. Then we're going to stir it up, and then we'll start adding the seasonings to it. Alright, now we're going to add the seasonings. It says 3 minced garlic cloves, and I just bought this, so we're going to... How much you think that is?
I don't know. I think that's 1.
2.
2. 3. Do you do one for extra measure?
I say.
So then we're going to add kitchen bouquet to that, and that's going to brown it and season it. About 1/3 bottle of hot sauce. And or I guess I'll stir that. And now we're going to add 6 liters of water. Now we're going to bring this to a boil and let it soak all the seasonings in for about 20 minutes. Once it boils, we'll turn the water off and let it sit for 20 minutes before we add the rice. All right, now that we have the let it set for 20 minutes, we are going to skim the oil off the top of this and get rid of it. And it's just on the surface there, so we'll call that good. And the mixture of rice to water is 2 to 1, so we have 12 cups of rice, and we've added 6 liters of water. We're gonna bring this back to a boil, and then we'll throw the rice in. We're gonna add the 12 cups of rice, cover it, and then for about 30 minutes and let it all soak up, stir it a little bit from time to time.
So how long have you been doing this?
Last year I bought it. I was talking to my wife because I was watching it on YouTube, and when I was like 14, I went to Louisiana to play in a baseball tournament with state host families, and the guys stayed.
Cool.
Yeah. So me and my friend, we stayed with this family, and they were. He did this. He had this pot, and I always thought it was really cool and really good. You know. I think the premise down there was like at the end of the year, they'd like empty out their freezers with like the people that like lived around there, and they would put the meat in there like that. But I remember that, and I got to watch it on YouTube, and me and my wife tried it out. We bought it, we tried it out, and we've adjusted a little bit every time, but hopefully this will be edible.
This is gonna be the best one yet.
Like I said, it's the first time without someone like advising me on not screwing it up. But
Yeah, it's the first time without your wife.
we'll cover that now, and just check it for about 10 minutes.
That'll be good.
Cover it.
Do we leave
Where's
the
the-
one?
Yes.
Okay.
Where's the...
I have no idea.
Here's the good.
Waldron District Office has 16 total people?
I think 17.
17 total people. Okay.
Yeah. And we have 2 construction crews, and we have a lineman in Logan County, Sebastian County, and Scott County at all times, like remote doing service work, maintenance. So,
Oh, cool. I didn't know that.
yeah, that's the three main counties that we cover in this district. So like Waldron, Greenwood, Boonville, Hartford, Blue Mountain, Wakeland area. So it's pretty big, more rural than, you know.
How long have you been here?
It's at 14. I think
14.
I'm working on my 15th year. I think I'm supposed to fold this now.
Are you ready? You have towels and stuff.
That looks amazing.
Beat Travis out of that big old thing. Yeah, let Travis go eat over. Easy killer. Yep.
Yeah, we'll call that good, eh?
You taste it?
Yeah, get down there.
You taste it.
Travis, go eat over.
Here, Trav.
I've been in it.
You know what?
Get it on one man.
God, I'm laughing.
Put some chicken and
Hot.
I bet. That's what I was afraid.
Hot or spicy hot? Just hot. Say that again.
Trav, you want? Help me put that in there. Here today and allow us to do this. Please bless this food we're about to eat. Please keep all these guys, people that work here and our community safe. Thank you so much.
That's not bad at all.
That would be good with the ready beans to that right there.
Ready, right?
You stood there down here. Yeah, that right there, that's what beans is probably really good.
Kidney beans.
We had a hot sauce on top of it, right?